Hello and welcome to our Unit 1 review for our class. The first question I have on here is to solve and check the linear equation 3x plus 5 is equal to 17. So we would first subtract 5 from both sides of this. To get 3x is equal to 12. You would divide by 3 to get our answer, which would be that x is equal to 4. And as a set, that would just be in these curly brackets with the 4 in between them. The second one, 7x minus 5 is equal to 72. Again, we want to solve and check this linear equation. So you would first add 5 to both sides. So 7x is equal to 77. Divide both sides by 7 to get our answer of 11. And then again as a set between those brackets with the 11 in the middle. The third one, 11 minus 3x is equal to negative 19. There's a couple of options for this one, but the one I'll do is to first subtract 11 from both sides. So negative 3x is equal to negative 30. And then divide by negative 3. So x for this one will be 10. And as a set, okay. 10x minus, and then in parentheses, 8x minus 2 is equal to 10. So you would first distribute this negative 1 that's in front of the parentheses. So I'll write that one over here to give myself more room. 10x minus 8x. This would be plus 2 is equal to 10. Combine the 8x and the 10x and the negative 8x. That makes 2x plus 2 is equal to 10. And then we would subtract the 2 from both sides. And this is going to make 2x is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 2 to get our answer of x is equal to 4. And then again as a set with the curly brackets and the 4 in between them. The fifth one is to solve and check the linear equation 2y minus 6 is equal to 4y plus 6. Again, we have a couple of options for this one. I'm going to subtract the 2y from both sides. Excuse me, I'll subtract the 4y from both sides. Subtract the 4y from both sides. And I'm also going to do in the same step, I'm going to, in this particular case, I'm going to add 6 to both sides as well. Okay, so this is going to make negative 2y is equal to 12. And then dividing both sides by that negative 2. So let me just write that operation out over here. Give me a second. Dividing both sides by the negative 2. So y would be negative 6. Then as a set, The sixth one, this is 5 times x minus 2 in parentheses, plus 19 is equal to 4 times x plus 4 in parentheses. Distributing the coefficient in front of both sets of parentheses on either side of the equal sign. This is going to be 5x minus 10 plus 19 is equal to 4x plus 16. Combine the negative 10 and the positive 19. That makes 5x plus 9 is equal to 4x plus 16. So we are going to subtract 4x from both sides. I'm also going to subtract 9 as well. So that is going to make just positive 1x is equal to 16 minus 9, so 7. Again, as a set with that 7 in there. For 5x divided by 4 is equal to 4x divided by 3 plus 2. Best idea for this one is to multiply everything by the least common denominator. So least common denominator between 4 and 3 is going to be 12. So I'll be multiplying. I'll just put them down here so I'm not making it too messy. Multiplying every single part of this by 12. Doing so for the 5x divided by 4, that one's going to make 3 times the 5x, so 15x is equal to 4x divided by 3, the whole fraction times 12. The 12 divided by 3 made 4 times 4x. That makes 16x. And then plus 2 times 12, so 24. Okay, so we'd subtract the 16x to the other side. So this would make negative x is equal to 24. And then we could multiply by negative 1 to make that negative move over. And it would be helpful if that actually showed up as a negative 1. There we go. So this would make x is equal to negative 24. This next one is x divided by 3 is equal to 1 plus x minus 15 divided by 5. So again, for this one, we need that least common denominator between 3 and 5, that being 15. So again, we'll be multiplying both sides of this by 15. For the x divided by 3, so 15 divided by 3 is 5 times x. So 5x is equal to 1 times 15, so 15. Plus x minus 15 divided by 5 times 15. So that would just be plus 3 times x minus 15. Distributing the 3 to the x minus 15, this makes 5x is equal to 15 plus 3x minus 45. The 15 and negative 45 combine to make negative 30. So 5x is equal to 3x minus 30. We could subtract the 3x over, and I am going to run out of room here. That will just give us 2x is equal to negative 30. Divide both sides by 2, which would just give us that x is equal to negative 15. So as a set, we would have negative 15 within those brackets. So that's it for part 1 of this review, and I look forward to seeing you for part 2. Thank you.